France, JS Prom. Attend ka sa JS Prom ni France ha. Tapos June 8, yung promise mo sa kanya, punta ka doon sa kanyang graduation day, June 8. Kahit na nasa heaven ka na, yung regalo mo, masyadong excited siya na isuot yun. Thank you daw dun sa gift mo kay France. Titingnan nga natin yung gift ni Dad kay France. Yung kanyang this is a chain. Where is it? Saan yung regalo ni Dad kay France? Regalo ni Dad kay France sa kanyang graduation. Bakit di ba buksan ito? Ito yung regalo ni Dad kay France before he left Vancouver, Canada. So, yun. So, ito yung pinakaingat-ingatan ni Dad na kanyang laging sinusuot, na sabi niya, on your graduation day, France, he will give this to him. This chain is very memorable. This is in behalf of Dad. I kept this for France. Isusot niya ito pag sa graduation day niya. And ito lang naman yung napaka-interesting, halagang kayamanan ni Dad na kanyang laging suot. Ngayon ay ibibigay niya ito kay France. Ibibigay namin kay France sa June 8. Sana si Dad ang magbibigay sa kanya to. Pero dahil nauna na si Dad kasi na umakyat na sa langit at hindi na siya nakabalik dito. Pero at least kahit na hindi ka man namin nakikita, but your presence, we feel you. Ito ay iingatan namin dahil alam namin na iningatan mo to. On June 8, it's Fran's graduation. Huwag kang magalala, si Mami, sila Ninoy siguro, sila Jason, in behalf of you, they will come to attend Fran's graduation day. So, I am very thankful. And God bless to our family. So, ako ay nagpe-prepare na dahil JS Prom ni France at kasama daw ang parents. Dati naman hindi kasama ang parents pag JS Prom, di ba? Mga sila lang. So, kami magbibihis din kami. Susot ko rin yung yung ano ko, yung bagong belt ko na tag $7 at saka itong aking ano bang tawag dito? Hindi kasi ako nagsusot na ganito eh. Hindi ako kasi maong lang kasi sinusuot ko eh. So, yan. So, kulang na lang siguro yung susuot ko is yung yung white na long sleeve tapos yung tuxedo na doon. Susuot ko yun mamaya kahit na hindi ako yung may okasyon ni Franz. So GS Prom pa lang to. Susunod yung graduation. Update ko kayo kung ano yung pwedeng mabidyoan ko. Sa June 8 pa yan. So ngayon, ano lang muna, parang ballroom dancing. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Balikan eh. Diba? Nadadamay. Imbis na nag-YouTube ako, imbis na nagigitara ako dito. Okay, siya muna. Balita, picture, I'm just gonna send you a picture na lang video sa prom. So, naka-ready na ako. Siyempre, hindi mawala yung sombrero ko dahil tsaka yung ano ko. Dahil ko dala yan, yung chain na yan. Chain. Pag may chain kasi, ibig sabihin may turo, may kalabaw. Yan. O, di ba? O, yan. Parents attire lang to. Hindi naman kami ang may okasyon eh. Sabit lang kami. So, siguro okay naman na yung suot ko, no? Okay na yan. Yan lang yan. And then, you will see this full video episode on Facebook only, exclusively. Kung anong mangyayari dun sa GS Prom de France, Heldrex, Kevin. So I'm already on my way to Westin Bayshore Hotel doon sa Grand Ballroom ng JS Prom de France ng St. Patrick. So I think we will have some fun later on there. I don't know. Do you will have some fun with your son?
Oh yeah.
This is just only a requirement. That's why we are here. You know, it's a parent requirement. It's not necessary for us to be there, but I think it's just only a part of the business. But that's good, right? Sometimes we'll see. We will drink all the food there and I'm gonna drink all the wine there because I'm paying a lot with this event. I'm paying a lot. I will drink all the wine, whatever they put on my table. All the meat, steak. I will use all the tissue because I have a cold, you know. It's traffic right now, so my son is giving me a hard time right now. So instead of relaxing in the house, watching YouTube, now I am going this way. Right? So it's traffic, you know. Oh my God! I almost hit the Tesla. Now we are almost to the city, but according to my GPS, 6 minutes more. So right now, we'll see. I'll update you. So we are now here to pay. So pay the noise smoking. We're getting to the elevator now. We are going to ground level to pay for the parking. How can I pay here? This is elevator. So we're going up. We are coming from here, P3, almost P4. Going this way. I'm going up to the elevator. So many people are here. Oh, oops. I'm gonna watch TV. Hilda is going up. We are going upstairs. That's right. Ayan na. Okay na. Okay. Best friends? That's partner. And Justin.
Marissa Chia.
Welcome back.
Dee Chen.
Join the event.
In the spirit of giving thanks, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you. A huge thank you to Jaya Pakwa, Kenzie Ma, Ben Tran, Tyler Makamula, Claire Henry, Ariel Roberts, Anna Barbosa, and Philippe Boulanger for their hard work and scholarship. Thank you. I would also like to thank the parents who will be going to the ground runners for this year on October 7th and 10th. And with that in mind, special thanks to our sections who honored the draft, Mr. Franzulo, Mr. Herrera, and Mrs. Brown.
Son, why do you always sound so funny? Other times, you confuse us with your conduct, sounding the non-school sweater you wear. Kid, what color? Well, friends, why do they just keep teasing you? But most of the time, it's your attendance. You've agonized with us with your attendance. Is Jessica here tonight? Has anyone seen Jessica? I don't know if any of you went to the washroom already, but we don't know how long it's taken there.
The main event is buffet. Right? Buffet. Buffet. Main food. Buffet means food. Food, drink. And this one's buffet. Wala pa.
Ay, hindi ko kaya niya.
Wala. Plus na buffet time.
Salad,
Ano?
mains,
Papaitan? Bulalo, bupis.
bulalo,
Bupis. Ano, may Paris oh. Paris, Diwata Paris oh, ano? Ano, lechon.
Desserts.
Oh,
Sides.
unlimited rice at saka soft drinks, free soft drinks. Saka chicken.
may chicharong bulaklak.
Not a million times, sorry. Special though, every other time.
See where the fabric like folds over? That's how I should have done my entrance. I could have walked up, right? I could have this. There.
I know, because that's the way the seat
We're going down. Bababa kami. We're looking for whiskey and beer. Maybe we're gonna go down there. Si Hilda na lang. Di ba? We're going down. These guys. Maghahanap tong dalawang ng alak. Ayun bar. Ayun pala yung bar, oh. Beer. Beer and whiskey. We're going there. We are going left or right? Saan? Sa labas ba?
Ano, may armor, oh.
Yun, oh. So here?
Laki pala dito, no? Laki pala ito.
Wisdom mo. This is called Fisher Moments. Ano bang mayroon dito? Ay, dito pala yung beer. Dito pala eh. Dito pala. Saan tayo, boss?
Dito? Hindi tayo?
Bahala kayo. Tayo.
You
Over
wanna sit
there?
here or you wanna go there?
Anywhere. Here is okay. Oh, you're there? Okay. It's darker here. Dito ba tayo?
Laki?
Is that someone else the fireplace?
Ha?
Fireplace. Dito tayo. Ito yung congressman
May extra
na Bisaya saka mayor ng Butolan.
Pwede?
Dito tayo. This one I drink today, water. Water and water. And that food today.
Hindi na ako umiinom eh. Ng konti.
So titingnan muna namin mamaya kung anong mayroon namin mamaya. So,
Pag ihi ko,
water muna. Ayan, ito yung order namin. Yan. Cheers. Cheers.
Congrats,
Congressman and board member.
Christmas.
Time check. Almost 12. We're finished drinking. So, we are going now. Bye-bye.
Wilber, alam mo
Everybody's-
magandang pagkakitaan pala talaga sa Pilipinas.
Just
Isa
waiting.
yung ano man, yung ano ba yung nag-vlog?
Where is France?
Oh, yung vlogging. Sabi yun yung mga camping.
Marami sa washroom. Washroom muna tayo. Ito magandang washroom dito. May bulag lang to. Washroom to. Washroom ito.
Gumagawa kumita.
Hindi lang ba kayo dyan, bro? Ito yung washroom mo. Party is over and it's time to go home. Obviously, I was drinking. Obviously, who is driving? No one is driving. I am in autopilot right now. So people are so many on this day. It's Saturday today, so expect it's a busy day. It's busy here in Vancouver Block. And I'm going home. Okay, see you folks. See you tomorrow morning. Enjoy and have a good weekend. Have a mass tomorrow, Sunday. I'm going to sing. Insan sa may kalayan tayo nagkatagpuan, may mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Doon sa may isang bubong, mga sekretong ibinubulong, kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man magtungo. Ngunit ngayon, kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon. Ngunit, anong susunod na? Daanin na lang natin ito sa inuman. Kung sakaling gipitin, lagi mong iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Yeah.